Hello, welcome to our channel A to Z Immigration Updates. Here is the latest news.
Temporary immigrants who had valid on or before May 31, 2021 are granted another option by the Canadian Immigration Department to expand their stay in Canada by August 31, 2021. It impacts employees, students, and tourists who were in Canada when their status expired. They will commonly have 90 days to apply to reclaim their status, but now, due to service delays caused by the coronavirus pandemic, if they satisfy such RIA, disabled people will have until the end of August to submit their applications. Candidates must have been in Canada with valid citizenship during January 30, 2020, and May 31, 2021, to be qualified. To restore their temporary residence status, they will need to have paid the application processing fees. The plan also applies to work permit holders with job opportunities to work during the review of their application.
Thanks for watching. For more immigration information, click on the link in the description. And stay tuned with us and don't forget like, share and subscribe our channel.